this is GH Kings. So on this video I'm about to install another crochet braids. I already have my hair cornrowed. It's just regular cornrows that goes all the way to the back, and then I have tucked the hair like so. Nothing fancy. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm very excited about the hair that I'm about to use. Okay, so it's called Glam Formation by Mado. I love this hair. I went to my local beauty supply store just to take a look, you know, to see what they have, and I saw this hair. I was like, yeah, I'm definitely purchasing this hair. So I got, I believe, 5 packs, and each pack was $2.49, which I think is cheap. And they have a lot of colors. Some are like plain colors, you know, like black, burgundy and stuff like that, and they also have the ombre colors, and I think the ombre looks so beautiful, especially for crochet braids. So I decided to purchase it, and this one here is in color OT27. So it's basically like dark, I'll say like 1B on top, and then it transitions into this beautiful 27 like blonde color. I love it. So hopefully the crochet braids will turn out nice. Okay, so let me see how long this is. This is 20. See how flowy the hair is. I just finished installing in 1 pack. I love it, but I feel like the blonde is just too much. I have never done this before, and I feel like it doesn't really fit my personality. Alright guys, so I just finished using 3 packs, and I want to show you guys how the hair is looking so far. So I'm basically like almost done. Alright, so this is how it's looking like. So I'm going for a middle part. Okay, so I have also done crochet like most of this side as well. I just have to crochet this section, and probably like a pack is going to be enough for this section, but for the closure, which is going to be right here, I'm going to open another pack. So probably I'm going to use like 4 and maybe a half packs of hair for the rest of, for the entire hair. Let me show you guys the back. I haven't saw the hair there. I was like, how would it look like if I did the side part? How would it look like if I did the middle part? And also because my middle part wasn't really straight, you know, so I was like, you know what, let me just do a side part. Okay, so I'm about to do a side part. video like recording that part. And also, if you're using this hair for the if you're trying to do the invisible method like I did, you need to take big sections, not really big sections, like medium-sized sections, okay, in order for you to be able to achieve the invisible method, okay. Because if you take smaller sections, it's just gonna look so messed up. You won't like it, okay. So now I do like the end result of this hair. I still haven't seen the back though, and I hope it's full because I don't have any more packs left. I thought I had 6 packs, but actually I had 5 packs and I've used all 5 packs. So hopefully I don't need to fill in any gaps. Let me just show you guys how the back is looking like. So this is the back of my hair. Like when I feel it, I don't think I need any hair to fill in any space. I do love the hair. It's very flowy. I love it so much. And this is the side and the other side. Now let me bring the hair to the front and let me actually comb through the hair. So now I hope you guys can see how the hair is looking like, okay. Yeah, so I love it. I'm gonna stand up for you guys to see the full length of it. I finally like cut the stringy ends, and like I said, I use exactly 5 packs, and I recommend you guys get 5 packs as well. It's not really heavy, it's just a bit heavy, and I think it's just a bit too much for the summer because, you know, like this summer is just too hot for no damn reason. But anyways, I do love the hair. I like the end results. I wasn't really sure about the color because it's quite out of my comfort zone, especially for a crochet braids. If it was like boss braids, I wouldn't mind, but for crochet braids, it's just quite a bit out of my comfort zone. But like I said, I am loving it, and I'm just gonna have to deal with it because I love the hair, okay. So I'm gonna stand up for you guys to see the full length of the hair, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you haven't already done so, visit my online store at Divine Care Naturals, the online. I also have a store on Amazon and also on Etsy. You can go get some all natural products like soaps, lip balms, and shampoos and conditioners, or even hair oil, okay. All right, so let me just stand up. Oops, let me move the chair out of the way. Okay, so this is me standing up. This is how long the hair is. If I put the hair to the front, it's 20 inches, and just know I'm really short. I'm 5 feet, okay. So this is how long the hair is for me. I love it. The hair comes in, I think, 20 inches and also I think 30 or 40 inches. So you can pick whichever length that you want. It comes in different colors, okay. And like I said, it's $2.49 from my local beauty supply store. It might be more or even cheaper from yours. I don't know, okay. So this is how it's looking like. And if I take it to the back, this is how it's looking like. Let me turn. That's how long it is too at the back. And it has a lot of body. I do love the hair. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave them below, and I will gladly come back and answer all your questions. But for now, like I always say, I love you all, and just know that God even loves you even more, okay. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Like if you like the video. Comment if you have any questions that you want to ask me. You know, so far I haven't added any hair mousse or anything on my hair because I packed all my hair products into like this suitcase, and I don't feel like digging into that suitcase now, okay. So maybe next week or something I'll put some hair mousse on the hair. I mean, the hair is good, okay. I don't need anything, and I already added shea butter on my hair before I cornrowed my hair, so I don't need no hair oil for the moment. And in 2 weeks, like usual, I will come back and give you guys review of the hair because I haven't used this hair before, okay. So I need to give my honest review about the hair. But so far, you can definitely comb through the hair, and I also recommend like you actually comb through the hair before you actually install in the hair, okay. So it'll be easier for you to install in the hair. I haven't experienced any tangles with the hair as I was combing through it, so hopefully it's good. And also the hair has a yucky texture to it, but at the same time it has a silkiness to it too. So it's like in between yucky and silky. So I really do love that as well. And yeah, so this will be the end of this video, and hopefully